Hi there, we're in this new world of COVID-19 and trying to get the kits pulled together for the people across the US and into Canada who are on our front lines. The customers were so amazing and wellness advocates to be able to get that $250,000 worth of products sold so that doTERRA could give back $750,000 in cash and product. And so today we're kitting 15,000 incredible kits. And Christy is coming with these kits that we're building today. So Christy, come show us what you're doing. And they're gonna wanna see, and we're gonna stay the 6 feet
exactly.
because we're being very good on this one.
Guys, let's take a look inside. We've got gloves, the masks, sanitizing spray, deep blue rub, and then we've got some oils in here. Wild orange, tea tree, lemon, oh, and breathe. And the Healing Hands team has been working frantically trying to get these because we realize it's such a time-sensitive thing. And we want to say thank you. We are so excited. The support we received, you guys are amazing. Thank you, thank you. We could not do it without all of you.
So Christy, let's go back and build these. 15,000 is a lot.
That's so many. We have a work cut out for us. We have a